Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about the various symbols you'll find in Power BI's data pane. Understanding these symbols is crucial for navigating and utilizing your data effectively. So, let's get started. Welcome to Made Easy. My name is Mark. Together with our dedicated team, we're here to make software learning simple and enjoyable. Explore our wide range of video tutorials for a seamless learning experience. This is the data pane, previously known as the field pane. On the left side of your data fields, you'll notice various symbols. Each symbol conveys specific information. Now, I'm selecting the table view to give you a clear understanding of the data within the selected table. If you want to learn more about the report, table, model, and DAX query views, we've covered those in another video. You can find the link in the description below. The symbol before average unit price indicates it is a measure. Measures have their own hard-coded formulas, visible in the formula bar. You'll find these measures under the sales table, with the table itself marked as a measure group. Next, the sigma symbol in front of certain fields indicates that these fields contain numeric data. Whenever you see this symbol, you can be assured that the field has numeric values. The symbol before reporting period ID signifies a calculated column with a non-numeric data type. There's a different symbol for numeric calculated columns that look like this. This uptrend arrow before this year's sale is the Key Performance Indicator, or KPI, symbol. It's a visual cue showing progress toward a measurable goal. Do you see this icon that looks like an identity card? It indicates an identity field, which means these fields are unique and set to show all values, even if there are duplicates. The icon before city name indicates that the field contains geodata, which can be used to create map visualizations. We cover this in another tutorial video, linked in the description. If you notice the date hierarchy field, it has an expand arrow, revealing a date hierarchy. The symbol here indicates a hierarchy in Power BI. These are some of the popular symbols. There are more, and I'll display them on the screen for you to review. Please note that Power BI updates frequently, so there might be small changes to these symbols. Alright, that's everything for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and check out more tutorials on Made Easy. If you're new here, we'd love to have you join our online community. Thanks for joining us on this learning journey. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.